What I do when I'm doing market research, when I'm looking at someone, is I will look at, okay, this has 40 likes, this is 41, this is 22, 18, 23. So I'll kind of browse through the first 9 posts or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then I will say, all right, so this got 41 and this got 40. These got the most likes out of her most recent content. And then I will look at the post and think, okay, why? One, this is very easy to read.
Mm-hmm.
Even though it is not related to necessarily what you will be posting about, take a look at the reasons why things
Yeah.
worked. This is easy to read. It's a simple 5 list type of post. What 5 things can you come up with for what you will be talking about, for the type of content that you will be talking about?
Well, I like that she calls it like a nutrient spotlight.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. So it tells me maybe that's a series of stuff she does.
Yeah, that is kind of cool. And then she goes into the information over here on her caption. Just look at, while you're doing this market research, I want you to look at the things you like, the things you don't like, the things you see working, and analyze why it's working. What is working about it? Why is it working? You may right now like somebody and think that they're just like the coolest person on earth. But when you really start looking at their content, you may see, well, but they're not getting much engagement. Nobody else seems to like them. Then analyze that type of information. Look at that. That is how I've come across content ideas. That's how I help you with content ideas. That's how everybody finds content ideas,